Alright guys, so we're going to talk about how to add and subtract radicals today. It's actually very simple. There's only two little steps that we can know here, which is simplify all your radicals and add or subtract only like radicands. And this is very simple. If you think of only like radicands in similar terms to only like only like variables, it's actually very easy to understand. So let's start off with something simple. Let's go with radical 12 plus radical 27. Now, an instinct here would be to say simply, oh, well, that's obviously radical 39. But not even close to that. It's something completely different. This is very similar to adding and subtracting fractions when we think back to that. So, easiest way to do this is follow our steps. So step 1, simplify all radicals. One over a little bit, so space right. So simplify all radicals. Well, 12 is not simplified. I'm going to break that into 4 and 3. Group 12. 4 breaks into 2 and 2. Group 4. A pair of 2's, nothing for the 3, so that leaves me with 2 radical 3 plus 27 breaks down into 9 and 3. Group 27. 9 breaks down into 3 and 3. 9. Well, I have a pair of 3's and a 3 inside the radical. Now, do I have any like radicands? Well, yes, 3. Radical 3 is the same as radical 3, so I can add these exactly the same as if it were 2x plus 3x. That gives me 5 radical 3. And that's all it is. Very, very simple. Sometimes, though, which is kind of frustrating, sometimes you're going to get really frustrating answers. And I'll show you an example of that. Let's say we have radical 12 plus radical 6 plus radical 7 plus radical 16. Well, let's break these down. Step 1, break down 12. I get 4 and 3. Radical 4 breaks down into radical 2 and radical 2, which gives me, circle that pair, 2 radical 3 plus radical 6 breaks down into 2 and 3. Neither of those have any pairs, so this turns back into radical 6. 7 breaks down into 7 and 1, which obviously cannot combine with anything else. So that gives me radical 7. And radical 16 breaks into 4 and 4. They're there already. Broke my own rule here. I have a 4 and a 4, which gives me 4. Now you might be thinking to yourself, okay, but now I can only add like radicands. That is correct. This is your final answer. And I recognize that that is frustrating, but that is the final answer. You cannot do anything with that. So you're done. Let's do one more just so you can see this. And let's do an application problem. Let's say they gave us a triangle. Wrong shape here. Say they give us a triangle. And on this triangle, we'll say not to scale. I'm going to make this clean. Let's say this is radical 32. This is 3 radical 2. this is 5. Well, I know that if it wants me to find the perimeter, that means I need to add all the sides. I'm going to set this up. Radical 32 plus 5 plus 3 radical 2. Well, let's break these down. Radical 32 is 8 and 4. 32. 8 breaks into 4, 2. Scribble that out. There's a pair of 4s right here. We get 4 radical 2 plus, well, 5. That's already prime plus 3 radical 2, which leaves me with 7 radical 2 plus 5. Because these two are like terms and they can combine. That is my final answer, meaning the perimeter of this triangle is 7 radical 2 plus